And here we are with Forever Football Show, another season, a second season for our show. And today, great news, great soccer, but Filippo, I think you're right. All the leagues now are over, all the fine, the dream is over.
For me.
The dream is over.
Yeah, my dad dream is over. Yeah.
Napoli is out, Milan is the champion, Barcelona is the champion.
Yeah.
Manchester United
United
with that last. Well, there's going to be lots to talk about. The two goals in extra times.
Yeah.
And of course a good tie on the road for us with also a goal in the last minute or beyond the last minute. And why don't we just start with the Sounders then?
Yeah.
Point on the road. Good taste, bad taste. How did that all feel?
It wasn't a bad result by any means. Philadelphia is undefeated so far. They still are. They hadn't given up a goal at home, and so we broke that with our last minute goal, and it was good to see Montero and Fernandez coming back in the team and combining for a nice goal right at the death. So not a good goal to give up for us, and we dominated the game, so it was kind of tough to see a win slip through our hands. But
I thought that Alonso's play was extra rough though. He usually goes. He's a strong player, but he usually goes a little bit more on the ball. And this one he got too much of the legs. I thought.
Yeah, you're talking about
the foul that resulted in the goal.
Yeah, it was initially a good tackle, but then he followed through with the scissors, and you just can't do that. So.
Yeah, I think we just should send a message to our friend Jack in France. Jack, please take a look of the new great phenomenon Keller, what he did again. So I know that you are a great supporter of him, but really he's making too many mistakes. And the first goal was totally a mistake, and Seattle played very well. I totally agree about what you said.
And the conditions were almost home. We were playing home with all that rain.
Not even. Seattle, you get rain, but that was something else.
Yeah,
absolutely. Yeah, but again, they played very well. They totally deserved to tie, and Philadelphia seems a very good team, as you were saying, still undefeated. It's a very good point.
Yeah, and on the negative side for us in Seattle, at least, Portland is just leapfrogged us in the standings after two positive results. One a 3-2 win today, and then a 4-2 win.
We'll take them when they come here.
Yeah, what do you think about next game? Because next game, in my opinion, is going to be a key game. So if they win, is Colorado coming, right?
Yeah.
So and now they're still undefeated now for 3 matches. Seattle is undefeated. Right? Yeah, it's because they lost the first two and now
more than that. Four matches. Yeah.
4 matches. So they can play with Colorado. If they win, they can move up, and I think it's a very key game for them. Yeah. They have their confidence now. For results in a row, it's good. It's good for them.
And then Toronto here in Questfield on the 30th.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So things are looking good.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes. What else is going on in the MLS? Do we have a table there?
Not for this week, but some other results. RSL is still doing great. They're on the top of the table in the West. 4 games, 4 wins. They're level with LA, who has 3 more games played than them. So RSL is just
that is what Alberto was saying 1 year ago. Playing in a competition like CONCACAF and having good results give you confidence and give you experience. And even though you don't play with your best team on the field, they have a different approach of compared to the other team in the MLS. So and that's I think what's making
feeling that the roster is strong, right?
Yeah, definitely, and that's what we've really seen with them. Is that they have a lot of depth, and perhaps being involved in the CONCACAF Champions League, it's given opportunities to these other players who otherwise wouldn't get them. So.
Yep. And that entire change of pace, playing against the other Mexican, Central America teams, I think it just exposes them to new experiences on the field as well.
Yeah, they're doing great job. Great job.
So with that, let's close on the MLS because there's a lot more to talk about in Europe now. So stay with us with foreverfootballshow.com.